Hello friends, Meeta Banerjee here with my channel Caring for Mama Earth the Econut Way. Today, let's talk about a simple way to reduce plastic pollution, something which we can all do, and that is using a cloth bag and ditching the plastic one. Now, some people may have reservations about a cloth bag, saying that they use far more natural resources and work out costlier. But let me reassure you that a single cloth bag can be used for over 2 to 3 years, and it actually works out less costly in the long run. Not only that, you need not always make it out of new cloth. You can also use old cloth like your dresses, your saris, your bed covers, curtains, so many things. And you can make cloth bags out of those. Now, and a cloth bag is not for just one purpose. Let me discuss 5 areas where you can use cloth bags. Number 1, of course, the shopping bag. A big one, sturdy one. You can also supplement this with 3 or 4 smaller ones so that you can keep your groceries, your fruits, your vegetables and your other things in separate bags and put it into the big one. Number 2, do away with the plastic bags in your fridge and substitute them with cloth ones. You can again make these out of old cloth or new cloth, and if you wish, you can jazz it up like this with a little bit of embroidery or painting. Number 3, for gifting purposes, I request you, please do not use this single-use plastic wrapper which is just torn and thrown away. Why not give your gift directly in a cloth bag like this, a reusable one, and the person you give it to can reuse it so many times and it can finally be used as a shopping bag. Number 4, for smaller gifts like say cosmetics or say a fridge magnet or something, you can use smaller little pouches like these. For this, I would specially implore many ladies who do home businesses in say chocolates or jewelry. I find that in Pune at least, they love to use this bag, which may look pretty, but it is totally plastic. So why don't you substitute these with such pretty ones made out of cloth? Again, you need not go for old new cloth. Even your old saris, you can get 200 to 400 little bags from an old sari like this, and you just put your jewelry in that, and that's it. If you don't have the time, you could outsource this to some underprivileged lady who would like to get some income. So in one go, you're helping the environment and you're helping to generate income. Number 5, why not give a cloth bag itself as a gift? You get such lovely ones, either cloth or jute in the market, or you could even have it customized for you. These are bags which have been asked for by my daughter for a special occasion. She wants 14 cloth bags to gift. So I've been making these for her. That means 14 more people into the net of using cloth bags. So what do you think of this idea? Easy, doable, and by this simple step, just imagine one person uses it, 100 people use it, 1 million people stop using these plastic bags altogether. How much greener will our earth be? And you will have done your bit to reduce plastic pollution, maybe the Econut way, and have fun while doing it. So, hoping for a good response from you for Mother Earth. Thank you.